Hello, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, and today we have a sweet little story for you called Found in the Mud. Before we start, in the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Let's warm up with a few key words. First, rose bushes, plants that grow roses. Next, pale, having very little color in the face. Then digs, moving dirt to find something. We also have secret, something hidden or not told. And finally, mud, wet earth or dirt. In our story, a girl named Mia finds something small and gold hidden in the mud after the rain. Let's find out what it is. Here we go.
Mia is in the garden. The garden is very wet. It is after the rain. Mia sees the rose bushes. The roses are red and beautiful. She digs in the mud. The mud is dark and soft. She finds something. It is small and gold. It is a ring. Mia looks at the ring. Inside the ring, there are small words. The words say, "Always. Your Thomas." Mia holds the ring. She feels it is special. This is not a small thing. She goes inside the house. She sees her grandmother, Rosa. Rosa looks at her hands. Rosa's face is pale. Rosa is afraid. Rosa does not see Mia. Mia puts the ring in her pocket. She is very quiet. That night, Mia is in her bed. She holds the ring in her hand. She wants to give it back, but she does not want Rosa to know. She needs a good plan. She thinks and thinks. The ring is a secret.
And that's the end of Found in the Mud. Mia found a special ring in the garden, and now she must decide how to give it back without her grandmother knowing her secret. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. See you next time!